Logging a wine production step in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you the wine production board, how to open a lot, and how logging each step builds the record you'll lean on for harvest reports and TTB paperwork. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Production Wine from your dashboard. This is your wine production board. Every lot, grouped by stage from crush through aging. Click a lot to see its details, fruit source, tonnage, or gallons crushed, and every step logged so far. To log the next step, click Add Step, pick what happened, press, punch down, addition, rack, and enter the date and any volume change. If you're adding something like sulfite or a nutrient, log the amount so it feeds into your chemistry picture over on the QA screen. Once you save a step, the lot stage updates and the step shows up in its timeline. This is the record you'll lean on for harvest reports, TTB paperwork, and for tracing exactly what happened to a lot from fruit to bottle.